इंटरनेशनल वीमेंस डे के मौके पर 8 मार्च को नोएडा सेक्टर 62 में स्थित सत्यम फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट में नारीत्व यानी वुमेनहुड के लिए समर्पित एक फैशन शो त्रिप्तिक 2022 का आयोजन किया गया था। इस फैशन शो में कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा ही डिजाइन की गई ड्रेसेस पहनकर फैशन शो में 4 चांद लगाए गए, जिसमें गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर में मशहूर नीतू सिंह, मनीष त्रिपाठी और दीपा सोंधी जैसे पॉपुलर डिजाइनर्स भी मौजूद थे। इस आयोजन के बारे में सत्यम फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट की एचओडी डॉक्टर नीतू मल्होत्रा ने खुलकर बात की।
Hello everyone, I Dr. Neetu Malhotra, HOD of Satyam Fashion Institute, would like to welcome all the designers, industry person, guests of honors, parents, ushers at TRIPTYCH 2022. मैं बताना चाहूँगी आप लोगों को कि TRIPTYCH 2022 आफ्टर 2 years के बाद ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है। कोविड पेंडेमिक की वजह से स्टूडेंट्स ने एंड उनके पेरेंट्स ने एंड सभी टीम मेंबर्स ने काफ़ी सफ़र किया है ड्यू टू पेंडेमिक। And after a long wait of 2 years, this show is going to happen just because of the team efforts of Satyam Group of Institution. Each and every single individual is doing the hard work in this event. And I must say that the students have prepared the muslin toil collections, embroidery techniques, surface techniques, इतनी सारी टेक्निक्स यूज़ करने के बाद मेंटोर्स की गाइडेंस में, डिज़ाइनर की गाइडेंस में स्टूडेंट्स कलेक्शन प्रेजेंट करने जा रहे हैं। एंड दिस इंस्टीट्यूट बिलोंग्स टू वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड टुडे इज़ इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे। सो दिस डे विल बी अ वेरी लकी फॉर यू, क्योंकि जो इंडस्ट्री के गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर्स हैं, इंडस्ट्री के जो डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, वो फेलिसिटेट करने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स को आए हुए हैं। एंड मीडिया पर्सन्स तो हमेशा साथ ही रहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के। एंड थैंक यू सो मच एंड बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल द ग्रेजुएटिंग स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ फैशन डिज़ाइन, टेक्सटाइल डिज़ाइन, लाइफस्टाइल एक्सेसरीज, फैशन कम्युनिकेशन एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा इन फैशन डिज़ाइन। एंड you are there, parents are there, all the guest of honors are there. Thank you so much once again. Thank you.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed.